let's learn how you can disable all calls or individual calls on Messenger application. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want. So without any delay, let us start by opening our Messenger application. First, I will show you how you can disable calls with only one person. To do this, you will have to go to chat with that person, click on their account or username. Now you will see more actions list. Click on notification and sounds, and you will see mute notification for calls, and click this button to enable. Once it turns green, mute calls is enabled. So to disable calls for everyone, click on 3 horizontal lines and then click gear icon on top right corner, that's settings. Now you will have to go to notification and sounds option, and you can turn on or turn off notifications. To disable calls, you will have to turn it off. And now you got all calls on Messenger disabled. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.